I bought my first gaming mechanical keyboard and will be unboxing now. For my first gaming mechanical keyboard, I don't want to invest more than 2500 rupees. I bought this full size keyboard under 2000 rupees because TKL keyboard is 500 rupees more than this and there is not much upgradation. The keyboard comes with one key puller and some keyboard guidance paper which I won't read. I like this gold plated USB which is good. Wire is not braided which is okay for the price. Let me show the Automo brown switches which is not clicky but gives the tactile feedback. That's what I want. There is some small piece of paper. I don't know how that landed up here. Let me put the keys back to its place. To be honest, I don't know much about the mechanical keyboards. This is my first one. I am planning to use this for a couple of years. And if you guys like this video, please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The keyboard has 1.8 meter long wire and gold plated USB. It comes with 50 million keystrokes. That's a good feature. I forgot to tell one thing. This keyboard top panel is made up of metal and bottom panel is made up of plastic, and this is not expected considering the price point. Anyhow, it is a good feature to have, and it has some rubber grips which is cool. And thank you for watching.